Hello students, welcome in history class. Today we are going to start the 10th lesson, the expansion of the Maratha power. At the beginning of the Maratha War of Independence, the Mughals were on the offensive whereas the Marathas were on the defensive. This situation, however, was reversed at the end of the War of Independence. The Mughals were thrown on the defensive against the Marathas. In the later half of the 18th century, the Marathas subdued the Mughals and extended the Maratha power to cover practically the whole of India. We shall study this in this present chapter. Release of Shahu Maharaj. After the death of Emperor Aurangzeb, there ensued a struggle among his sons for the throne of Delhi. Prince Azam Shah was in the south. At once, he marched towards Delhi to seize the imperial throne. Prince Shahu was in his captivity. Azam Shah believed that if Shahu Maharaj was released, there would arise a conflict between him and Maharani Tarabai for the Gadi of Maratha Chhatrapati. Azam Shah felt that this would sap the Maratha strength and therefore release Shahu Maharaj. Coronation of Shahu Maharaj. Immediately after his release, Shahu Maharaj marched toward Maharashtra. He was joined by some Maratha Sardars, but Maharani Tarabai did not accept his claim to the throne. The armies of Shahu Maharaj and Maharani Tarabai fought a battle at Khed on the bank of the Bhima. Shahu Maharaj won the battle. He captured Satara. He got himself crowned. Satara became the capital of Maratha kingdom. For a while, the mutual opposition between Maharani Tarabai and Shahu Maharaj continued. Maharani Tarabai proclaimed her minor son Shivaji II as the Chhatrapati at Panhala in 1710 CE. This gave rise to an independent Maratha kingdom at Kolhapur besides the one at Satara. Early part of Shahu Maharaj's life was spent in Mughal camps, so he had seen Mughal politics from close quarters. He knew the finer points of Mughal and especially North Indian politics. He knew the strength and weaknesses of the Mughal Empire very well. Also, he was acquainted with the influential people in the Mughal court. All these factors helped him deciding a new direction of Maratha politics in the changing circumstances. Aurangzeb's successors had given up his policy of destroying the Maratha power. So, the Marathas adopted a new policy. Instead of fighting with Mughal power, they decided to protect it and expand their own empire in that role. They believed that restoring an old temple is as good as building a new one. The Mughal power faced the threat of Irani and Afghani invaders from the northwest and also of the local Pathan, local Rajput, Jat and Rohillas rulers. The internal competition and tussle in court had also weakened the Mughal power. Due to all this, the Delhi court needed the help of the Marathas. Balaji Vishwanath. After Shahu Maharaj was released by the Mughals, he made Balaji Vishwanath a Peshwa. Balaji hailed from Srivardhan in Konkan. He was competent and experienced. He convinced many Sardars that Shahu Maharaj was the real heir of the Maratha Empire and made them join hands with him. Kanhoji Angre was the chief of Maratha Navy. He chose to side with Maharani Tarabai and attack the territories of Shahu Maharaj. This gave rise to a difficult situation. Under these circumstances, Shahu Maharaj sent Balaji to fight against Kanoji Angre. Balaji avoided the war and won Kanoji over to Shahu Maharaj's side. Chauthai and Sardeshmukhi raids. After strengthening the position of Shahu Maharaj in Maharashtra, Balaji turned his attention to the politics in the north. The Delhi court, after the death of Emperor Aurangzeb, was marked by bickering and confusion. The Sayyid brothers Abdullah and Hussein Ali had become very influential. With their help, in 1719 CE, Balaji obtained from the Mughal emperor the grants or sanats to collect Chauthai and Sardeshmukhi from the Mughal territory in the Deccan. These sanats gave the Marathas the rights to collect 1/4 part means Chauthai and 1/10 part means Sardeshmukhi of the revenue from the Mughal territory in the Deccan. So students, remaining points of this lesson we will study into the next presentation. Till that, enjoy your studies. Thank you.